First, let's open our legacy kit. Here's what you'll find inside: a red tamper-proof strip, clear packaging tape, and a prepaid shipping label to return your kit. A gel cool pack, which you can discard. The transport media, inside a cardboard sleeve. The transport media keeps your sperm viable during shipping, and it won't negatively affect the health of your sperm. And a sterile sample cup, inside the legacy vault. Your kit components might look slightly different than what's in this video. Plan ahead. Make sure you've abstained from ejaculation for 2 to 5 days before collecting your sample. You need to ship your sample back on the same day you produce it, and it needs to be a weekday. Don't ship your kit back Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. When you're ready to collect your sample, start by registering your kit. Scan the QR code on the shipping box with your smartphone and follow the link to your client dashboard. If you're watching this video as part of your kit registration process, make sure you complete the entire process so you don't miss any important steps. If the transport media is still cool from shipping, let it come to room temperature. Wash your hands and your genitals to avoid any contamination. Open the sample cup. Produce a semen sample by masturbating to ejaculation into the cup. Don't use any lubricant or saliva, as these can affect your sample. Pour all of the transport media into the cup with your sample, then screw the lid on tightly. Mix the contents by gently swirling the cup. You don't need to shake it vigorously. Place the cup back into the legacy vault. Place the vault into the green legacy box. Seal the open flap of the green box with the red tamper-proof strip. Do not remove or reposition the strip after you've applied it, or the lab won't be able to process your kit. If the sticker says void anywhere, please contact our client services team. Place the green box inside the shipping box. Stick the prepaid return shipping label directly over the original label. Then seal the opening flap of the shipping box with the clear packaging tape. Do not remove or cover the UN3373 sticker on the outside of the shipping box. Next, you'll ship the sample back to our lab. You can schedule a carrier pickup at your residence, or you can drop off your kit at a carrier location or drop box. You can arrange for pickup or drop off as part of your kit registration process. After you ship your sample, you'll receive your results within 2 business days. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our client services team.